Tim Ray here, bringing you the real estate photography tip of the day, brought to you by YouSellIt. That's the DIY real estate photography app for iOS and Android. Today we're talking about balancing the light inside with the light outside for your interior photos. So we'll flip the camera around, and right now you see that blue glow to the windows. It's because it's not quite dark outside yet, but we're after sunset. And so what we're not getting is any kind of bright sunlight coming in and causing harsh shadows or unbalanced light. So I'll go ahead and take a snapshot here. You can see how nice that looks just right out of the camera. Of course, with the YouSellIt app, we can process that and enhance it even further, brighten the colors, take out some of that yellow tone that we get from the incandescent light bulbs. But all in all, if you shoot this time of day, you'll get the closest to professional results. For more free tutorials, you can download the YouSellIt app. That's sell as in cell phone, so YOUCELLIT. And I guess one other tip here is to not have your pets in the photos. Winston, yeah, this is my dog. He's always standing guard looking outside. Hope you enjoyed this, and we'll bring you more videos in the upcoming days. Take care.